If activation code is not showing for you while casting your screen for LG TV, then watch this video till the end, because I am going to give you the best solution for this. I will give you the quick steps that you can follow, and it will work perfectly fine for you because I have tried it personally. So first of all, you need to go to the settings of your TV. So just open the TV settings. After opening settings, you need to click on all settings. After opening all settings, you need to go to journal option. So just tap on this journal, and at the bottom you can see there's an option of reset to the factory settings. So reset to the initial settings actually. So just tap on reset to initial settings and follow the online instruction to reset your TV. After resetting your TV, make sure to restart your TV. After that, you just need to open the screen mirroring app in your TV, and after opening screen mirroring app, try to connect it to your phone. Just I am trying to connect to my phone, and I have installed a screen mirroring app, and just try to tap on screen mirroring, and now I have connected my phone to my TV without any problem. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.